So friends, in this chapter, we will see the dollar slots. Now, what is it? So we have seen in the last chapter that we can arrange the content as per our wish by using the name slot. So continuing with the same example, we will see here how we can use this. Okay, so let's see in action. We'll use the same example that last time what we used. So this was the same thing which we were getting. So what I will do is, I will just to make it beautiful, I will remove this. Okay, now you can see this is looking nice. Now what I will do is I will create one more slot over here so that you will have understanding of what we are talking about here, dollar slots. Okay, so let's create one more slot here. Let's say if I'll create a div component here. And what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to put an introduction sort of. If the person has given introduction, then it has to come over here. Okay, so introduction I will take in H4. Okay, and I'll say about myself. Okay, and here I will create one slot. I will say name equal to intro. Okay, now here I will close that slot. So one more slot I have created. Last time I have created this, and these three slots we have created. So for demonstration of this class, we have added one more slot here. We are calling it as an intro. Okay, so now this is going to come up because slot is here. Okay, so that's why it is coming about myself. So in the slot, I have what I have to do now. I have to create one. So in the slot, what I have to do? Let's say span name slot would be here. Slot equal to intro and a little intro about that person. So I will say, I will give this inside a paragraph. Okay, now you will see that this is coming properly. This is what is a this is the role, correct, and this is a company, and this is name, and this is what is intro. Okay, now let's consider one example. I'm using this same component one more time. Okay, so let's use this component one more time. Okay, so you are seeing this thing. Now what is happening is, let me reduce the size. Hopefully you can see this now. Okay, you can see this now properly. Okay, now this two component, what I will do is I will change the role here. Let's say I will say director, and name is Sanjay. Kumar. Okay, he works for Microsoft. Let's say this guy has not given me the introduction. Okay, so I'm not writing any introduction for him. But the problem here is this guy has given introduction, so we are getting introduction properly and about myself. But this guy has not given any introduction, so we are getting here about myself, but nothing is getting displayed. So to avoid such conditions, we are using here conditional rendering with slots. So we have one object, $slots is an object. You will see that in the child, that if that slot is present, that you will get the key as a true. So we'll see, check out here. Go to parent. If I see dollar JSON dot stringify $, plots. Okay, so what is, let's see what is we are getting. So for this slot, you see intro is true, role is true, company is true, means every slot is present. Here also, here what is not present, intro is not present. So here you can say with the $, slots, you can say that intro is not present. So friends, you can avoid this kind of condition with the help of $, slot. Now what I will do, I will use a condition over here itself. What I will say with, I will use a if condition. If you have not seen my previous video, please check out my previous video. As I already told, if you miss something, you won't get all those what I'm talking here. So here I will say $, slots, then which I have to check out, intro. If it is false, then do not render it. Simple. Okay, now see this, you will see this is coming. Now let's see in the full page and increase the this thing. Now see what is happening. You can see about myself here, and here introduction about that person, but this guy has not given that information, so it's not coming over here. Let me stop this. So you can see this properly about my, wherever you will get this, you will get the introduction, but this guy has not given introduction, so nothing is coming over here. You got this point. So this is coming because of we have put the horizontal line. Okay, so you got the basic understanding of what exactly is the $, slot. So with $, slot, you can render your slots as per the condition. So I think friends, you got the idea of what actually is $, slot. So I will end this video. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. See you in the next chapter.